Hello, Kankes. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
Good, fine. Kankes, you applied for a front-end position, right?
Yes.
Before starting, tell me about yourself.
Thank you for, first of all, thank you giving this opportunity about myself. My name is Neha Kanke. I am living from Pune, but currently I am living in Latur. I have completed Diploma Polytechnical Engineering in Computer Department.
Can you explain about your previous job and which domain you work?
I have 2 years experience in as a developer, Angular developers.
Okay, from last 2 years, you are working on Angular.
Yes, sir.
Then why are you changing your current job?
Sir, skill improvements.
But we are looking for only HTML, CSS, JavaScript candidate. Are you comfortable in that?
Yes, sir. Because I my hobbies is learning coding, sir. Interested in coding.
How much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5?
Out of 5, 4.
In all three?
No, HTML, JavaScript is 4 and HTML is 3.
HTML, CSS.
CSS 3.
First, we go ahead with the HTML and CSS, then we'll start on JavaScript. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
First, tell me what is the difference between HTML4 and HTML5?
HTML4 is the old version and HTML5 is the latest version. In HTML4, doc type declaration is very complicated that times, and HTML5 is the latest version. And in HTML5, doc type declaration is very easy. And in HTML4, audio video not supported without a flash player, and in HTML5 audio video supported with the tag, audio tag and video tag. In HTML4 easy to understand, it is not easy to understand developer, and HTML5 is easy to understand developer is in HTML5, and HTML4's drag, it is not supported drag and drop effects, and in HTML5 drag and drop it's supported, and it HTML4's error handling inaccurate, it does not handling inaccurate error syntax, and in HTML5's it easy to handling inaccurate syntax error.
Okay. What is the drag and drop? Can you explain it?
Drag and drops means shapes like
No problem. Now, tell me what is difference between inline element and block level element?
inline element is start with the same line, and block level element is start new line. Inline elements takes width, its contents width, and block level elements width takes width takes its parent width 100% with parent width, and inline elements it does not applied height and width, and block level element we can apply height and width, and inline elements we cannot apply margin and padding left and right. In STM in block level elements we all direction margin and padding applied all direction.
In block level element.
Block level.
What is box model?
Box model. Every HTML considered as a box in some properties includes padding, margin, content, and border. Paddings means space between padding and content. Paddings means space between border and content is called as padding, and borders means it's separates between it separates margin and padding, and borders mean margin means outside the border.
Okay. What is box sizing?
Box sizing, it defines how width and height calculator of elements in some two properties. Box contain border box and content. Border box includes content, padding, and borders for calculating height and width. And content box includes only contents for calculating height and width.
Okay. What is key difference between HTML element and tag?
HTML element and
Tag.
HTML element HTML tag represent the element, and HTML element is a combination of tag and some contents. And HTML tag is a open angular bracket and close angular bracket, and HTML element is a open some tag name and some content and closing tag. Like yeah, HTML elements, HTML tag is like h1, h2, h3, and HTML elements h1 opening h1, some content means hello HTML, and close h2, h1. It is a HTML element.
What is difference between EM and I tag?
What say, sir?
What is difference between EM tag and I tag?
EM and I tag. Yes.
Okay. What is attribute?
Attributes means it gives some information of the HTML element to the browser. It's called as attributes.
What is float?
Floats means it is a CSS property, and suppose you can apply the CSS, you can apply the float property of a element, then that times get affected to next elements. Float.
Okay. Can you repeat it again?
What float?
Yes.
Floats means it is a CSS property. Suppose one elements applied to these properties, then next immediately this effect get immediately affected to the next element.
Next element. Then how to remove that effect?
Effect clear both these properties use. Nullified side effect, I think.
Now, which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
CSS advanced select combinator selector. Question again, sir.
Which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
Advanced selector mean tag selector, class selector. ID selector.
These
There
are the
is
basic selectors. Okay. These are the basic selectors. Okay. No problem. Uh, Tell me which type of symbol we use in general sibling selectors.
general sibling selector.
Yes.
Teal.
Which type of symbol we use in direct child selectors?
Direct child greater than.
Greater than symbol. Okay. Okay. Now create one list. Okay. Share your
Okay.
screen first. Create one list and show me that list. But I want to starting a serial number with the Roman number, capital Roman number, 1, 2, 3, like that way.
Screen are visible, sir.
Yes, it's visible.
Roman. Okay.
Add some margin and visible. Okay, what happened? Hello.
Sir.
Take it 50 margin. 50, not 15. Check it. It's
Bullets.
showing bullets.
Okay. Roman. एक minute. Orderless. Orderless. Yeah.
Okay. Now, listen carefully. We have some list.
Hmm.
Now I want to red color to text, but each odd element, each odd li element,
Odd.
odd li element,
Okay. This na.
each odd li element, right? We have one order list in that some
Hmm.
li.
Hmm.
I want to red color to text, but each odd li.
Okay. ठीक. Which color, sir?
Red. But it's applied for even element. Okay, I say odd.
All.
I say odd element.
All element.
Odd.
Okay. All
You
element.
use even. I say odd element.
Odd element ka. Okay. Sorry.
Okay, good. Now, in how many ways can we position an HTML element?
Position of HTML element.
Yes. In
Uh,
how many ways can we position an HTML element?
there are 5 position of
Yes, explain it.
uh, 5 position: static, fixed, absolute, relative, then sticky. In static, by default HTML, position is a static. It does not uh, applied property helper properties, left, right, bottom, top, and
Okay.
position fixed is a suppose
Okay. I will give one task on that. Uh, Suppose we have one box. Its height and width is 500 by 500. Okay.
uh,
And its background color is red. Okay. And
mm,
then we have another one box. Its height and width is 100 by 100. Its background color is black. Okay.
okay. Mm.
Now I want to second box on the center of first box. How to achieve it? Okay. Well, from your code,
What say?
open your VS Code. Open the payload snippets. Okay. Okay. Now we'll start on JavaScript. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll start on JavaScript.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is function?
Function is a block of code which create particular task.
What is difference between function expression and function declaration?
Function expression is a function as a store value. So function expression. And
Can you show me one example on function expression and one example of function declaration?
okay.
Okay, tell me which function is function expression and which function is function declaration.
Function expression is a suppose it is a function as a store value and in declaration, and function is a declaration. Function expression is a function as a store value. It is a declaration, and this is function as store in declaration. This part is a function expression and function declaration.
Okay.
This
Now, what is ternary operator?
ternary operator.
No problem. You check it after the interview.
Okay.
What is difference between factory function and constructor function?
Factory function. No, sir. I forget it.
Okay. Check it after the interview on both what is factor function and what is constructor function. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm sharing some declaration with you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In chat box, just copy it and paste in your code. Don't run it. First,
Hmm.
tell me what will be the output. Then
Okay.
open it in browser. Okay.
Yes, sir. This data, sir.
Copy all properly.
Okay. एक minute. Hmm.
Okay. Tell me the what will be the output. In commented format, right?
Ah,
Like that.
yes. Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Consolidate and check it. Open the console.
Ah, yes, sir.
Showing 70, 10, 10, 11.
F is a declare 10.
Okay. No problem. Now comment the line number 77.
27.
77, not 71.
27. Okay. Or
No, I say 27, 29, not 70. Okay.
voice is break.
Yes, okay. No problem. Now comment the line number 25.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. At line number 79.
29.
9. Okay. 79. Yes. In that, remove the plus C.
Sir, voice is break.
Hello, I'm audible now.
Ah, yes, sir. Voice is break.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now at line number 29,
29. Okay.
remove the plus C.
Plus C.
Yes. Okay. Now what will be the output? Tell
Oh,
me.
okay.
Don't run it. First tell
Oh,
me.
yes, sir. Not a number, sir.
Are you sure?
One minute. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, take one thing. Declare first one variable is here.
What say, sir?
Declare one variable is there.
One variable declaration.
Yes, declare one variable is there.
Yes, yeah. Okay.
Okay, is equal to
Hmm.
double quote. Uh, right. Welcome in the beautiful world of JavaScript. Okay. Now, in JavaScript word, just change it. Make J capital and S capital.
Yes, capital.
Yes, at line number 34,
Hmm.
make it hard coded J capital. Yes, and S capital. Okay,
Yes,
make it capital.
Okay, sir. Wait a minute. Hmm.
Yes. Now I want to Angular word instead of JavaScript.
Instead of JavaScript, Angular word.
Yes.
Okay. Sir. One minute.
Okay. Now remove the single quote.
Single quote.
Logic. Okay. Now, what is difference between the index of and caret?
What is, sir?
What is index of and caret?
Index or caret?
Caret.
Caret. It is a index number said, sir. Caret and both are same, sir.
Show me one example of index of and one example of caret.
Index, this is word, suppose. Then index of
No, what happened?
index of is a array method and charted is a string method.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Because the chart is any elements in this uh, enter, then he index number 10 charted.
Check it after the interview. Okay. Commit that code all. Okay. Now, how many methods we use to extract the string?
Three methods, sir. Slice, substring, and subtract. There are three methods.
Subtract or sub-str?
STR. Slice, substring, and substr.
Okay. Just show me one example of slice and one example of splice. Okay.
Okay. All method one example, sir. 3 methods.
Just I say one example of slice and one example on splice.
Okay.
I will back in 1 minute. Okay. Yes. Okay. What happened? Hello. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Show me what.
Sir, second method, what say, sir?
Splice method.
Please.
Splice.
Something goes wrong.
Okay. First, tell me one thing. Can we use splice on string?
What say, sir?
Can we use splice method on string?
String.
Yes.
Splice method. No, sir.
Then create a one array. Then show me one example of splice method. Okay.
Splice method. Huh?
First, show me tell me or show me a example of splice. Then show splice.
Sir, it is a slice. It is not mandatory start and it is start to index number. Suppose I enter 7 slice.
Don't run it. Tell me first what will be the output.
Output
Yes.
is a output is a, suppose 3 is a index number and the ending t like uh, o starting to ending t.
Okay. Submit the line number 46 and save it and check.
Index. V plus this OV JavaScript. Slice method is a start index number and it is not mandatory start and end and it is a pass negative argument.
Now show me one example of splice.
Splice. No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now I'm sharing one object with you.
Okay.
Copy that and store it in one variable first. Okay. First store it and store that object in that variable. Remove that comma. Yes. Now print the all values in console.
All values.
Hmm. Uh, Hello, not like that way. I say at a time, print the all names one by one.
One by one.
Yes. Sorry, value, all the value one by one. Right. You can.
Is right when. All values print one by one
Yes, in console.
in console. It's opposite.
Okay, you check it after the interview. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, check it after the interview. Now we have one string at line number 43. Copy that. Copy that. Now reverse this string.
Reverse this string. One minute, sir.
Okay, or try it after the interview. Okay. Now, can you write one example of Fibonacci series? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you write one example of Fibonacci series?
Fibonacci series.
Hello. Hello, I'm audible. Hello. First, share your screen.
Sorry, sir. Are you visible screen?
Yes, it's visible.
No, sir.
Okay, you try it after that video. No problem. Now, again, the sharing one declaration with you in chat box. Just copy it and paste in your code. Now press Alt Z.
What say, sir?
Press Alt Z. Alt plus Z. Okay. Now it's showing all the link properly. Okay. Now we have one string. In that string, some links like Medium, WP School, like that way, JavaScript info. Now I want to clickable all these links on UI. How to achieve it?
Yes, sir. Mm.
No problem. Now, next question. No problem. Again, sharing one question with you. Just hold. Copy from it chat. Okay. Now, remove the duplicate element from given array.
Duplicate means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Print.
Yes.
No, sir.
What happened? Okay, no problem. Now, make the double edges. We have one array. In that array, some we have some edges 1, 2, 3. Make it double.
Means 1 is a 2, 2 is a 4.
Yes. What happened?
No question.
Okay. Now, tell me, what is difference between some and every method?
Some mind every method.
Yes.
Suppose the given condition is true in one iteration, then that time some condition is a stop, and every condition is a every methods. Suppose one condition, given condition is a first time false. That times he it get not next iterating continue. That time the stop there. Some mind every the given condition. Suppose given condition is a true in one time, one iteration, then some method stop, iterating stop, and every method, suppose the given in the given condition first time is false, then he stop.
Means in every method, all elements should be past that condition. That
Hmm.
time we use every. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, tell me what is difference between map and filter method?
Map same functionality, each elements that times use map, and filters means some conditions applied in elements, that times filters is used. Same functionality applied each and every element, that time map method is used, and filter is some conditions in their condition.
Okay, Kanki, done from my side. Do you have any question for me?
Okay, sir.
Any question for me?
No, sir.
Okay.